2, we are heading to breakfast and then finishing fittings. And that's why I look like this, because they have to do our hair and makeup. Say hello. Look at us. These are my, well, Liz, you guys know Liz. This is Miss Kentucky. Say hello.
Greetings by way of Kentucky.
Oh my God. We're gonna go to the Derby. It's gonna happen, you guys. We're gonna do a Derby episode. We just missed it.
Different hat for all every weekend.
This is our breakfast. Do we just get whatever?
And most of their players go to the NBA after their first year.
Right now, I am waiting to film my UCAP, which is what they would play if you get top 15 during the show. So we're all here. You guys want to say hi? Hey. We're all waiting. It almost feels like an interview, but no pressure.
My passions in life are always what fuel me. That's why I decided to shift my entire life from pursuing the music industry into creating a YouTube channel that was impacting the lives of young women. I really believe in the sharing of knowledge, and I'm able to do that on my channel by taking my life experiences, sharing with them with other women so they can benefit from it. Aside from my YouTube channel, I am very passionate about creating sustainable solutions for poverty. I've been working with over 50 nonprofit organizations since 2004. I think it's an important conversation that we need to have and start in this country.